So this
Oh,
is the
wow.
Wayback Machine, right? The most recent snapshot of this website was 2021. So I click on it, it's going to show me sometime in this 2021 on November 28, there was a snapshot. I can click on it, and it's going to show me what the website looked like in 2021. In this case, it's redirecting. Okay, we don't want to go there. Oh, what did I do? Okay, you want to find just to see the home page. Was it really a good website? Was it okay? This was redirecting to auction, so it was already in auction and it was a PDN domain for a long time. Let's go to this one, 2016. Right, let's just go here. I want to see, okay, was it really the same, whatever Dirty Passion music, or was it used as a PBN for appliance repair? Look at this. Does it look like a real website, or does it look like it was used as a PBN for some selling shoes or selling carpentering or whatever? Real website, all about this dude here who is a guitarist. You get the idea, right? So yeah, I would buy it, right? So if I buy this domain, what would I do, right? Because you are a flooring contractor, right? If I buy dirtypassion.com, I would then theme it to your flooring contractor in Huntington Beach. You get the idea. So the title tag, I cannot change, I cannot put flooring in the URL here, right? Because it's already there. I can't change this. So now I'm going to put flooring and Huntington Beach everywhere in Dirty Passion. So Dirty Passion was something about, what was it? Hard rock and heavy metal, right? So I can do something like flooring contractor in Huntington Beach becomes a heavy metal sensation. You get the idea? You don't even have to do this. You can just do flooring contractor in Huntington Beach. That's it. And you're good. But just to keep it more natural, I would just put this. And then inside, I would write a story. You can just write content about flooring contractor in Huntington Beach, or you can get creative and write a story about how a flooring contractor in Huntington Beach got bored with his life and then he took into heavy metal and then he became a rock star. You can write a blog. Anybody can write a blog, right?
Mhm.
And then you link to this website. Does that make sense?
So it's simple as that.
What is that? Don't overcomplicate. Yes. The key with these PBNs, like I said, is there are so many good-looking scammers out there that you don't want to call for, oh, domain authority 35, and then they have 0 and they have spammy backlinks, right? So let's look at any other one, right? So let's say you want to spend another $20 here. Happytomarriage.com. Same process, right? You want to find out if it's index number 1. Okay, it's indexed. Looks like a real marriage. Just by the indexing, you can see it was a real website once upon a time, right? You can put it over here and see what kind of backlinks. Wow, this is pretty good. A lot of domains. Ooh. This could have been this could be somebody's real website they forgot to renew even now, I would think, right? And then you check the backlinks and you just want to see if these are legit backlinks. Jane. Somebody in India is writing about happy marriage. Okay, 7-second ideas, boyfriend, so something to do with marriage, due date, baby. This kind of makes me such a big anchor text, you know, a lot of block spot, not necessarily hurting, but somebody has used it for something is what I'm thinking. You can still use it if you want. Yep, you can get going, Mike, no problem. But you get the idea, right? Now, what
Yeah,
you can do is you can go and put this domain within double quotes and see if anything comes up. The website comes up. Then do they have any Facebook or stuff like that? You can look at that.